there's a lot of water. Look, there's somebody over there in a little boat. Oh yeah. Mira acá, amor. It's already went through both sides. It's finally getting its water back for sure.
Hello.
Good morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. Erica, here's Saori. There's Jose and Cassie's over here. We are here at the Mercado.
I love you. Subscribe to the channel.
There you go. We went to Cassie's school and it was closed, so I texted the director of the school and he told me to just take her in on Monday when they start school. So they start school Monday, September 1st. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take her to school. But he did send me the list of supplies that she needs for school, so we are gonna make sure that we get that right now. I'll show you guys the process here in Mexico to get their supplies for school, and also come with us to the Mercado. We need some things that we're gonna be buying, and then we are gonna be going to the papeleria so that we can get all her supplies. And she needs a uniform too, but I'm not sure which one yet, so we'll wait until Monday. They told me she can wear anything comfortable pretty much. So we'll bring you guys along. We hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. September 16th is a big day here. You can see they have a lot of sales going.
Where's their big day?
Cuando desfilaron, remember? What was it? Mira qué tomates tan chulos. The chicken. That's the chicken that we took last time that we ate.
But it was delicious, right?
Yeah, but it was delicious. Yum.
No, pues imagínese dormida.
Yum.
Buenos días.
No, it's got too much sugar. You can't eat sugar. I need guayabas. Tamales. Torta. We haven't been to this side in a long time. We haven't been to this side in a long time. Mira, mueve tus botas. Gracias. Look at that. Masha.
Ahí está el marihuanol, dile. Doña, marihuanol.
Are you fucking weird? Mommy, what is cheese in Spanish?
Queso. So much to see.
What in Spanish?
Camisa.
What is a shoe in Spanish?
Zapato.
And what is a dress in Spanish?
Pásale que le vamos a mostrar, amigo, alguna cadenita, una
Quítalo,
medallita,
charro.
pase.
Café. Café. Brown es café. Mi vista. That's a cute dress. We're gonna get some tortillas, Auri.
Mommy, where's
Mole 200. Strawberries. We're gonna take some cucumbers and a few veggies. Taking these.
Mommy, bananas?
¿No tienes bananas ya? ¿No? No, esa
I
no.
only have the maduros. The green ones.
Compa, présteme el trapeador de aquí, préstemelo. Esos están bonitos. O estos son más poquitos. Ándale.
También que están, pesan igual, yo creo. Estamos dando mejores.
Dele aquí, de. Va agua en la escoba. Es todo, amigo. 129.
Licuado de fresa. Sorry, what are you drinking? Orange juice.
Mira cómo lleva ya de hojitas. Mira. Está bonito. ¿Por qué no está fija?
You're getting 3 plants?
3 trees. Níspero, zapote, and tangerine, mandarin, clementine. We are here at the papeleria. We're gonna get the school supplies that Cassie needs. So we gave her our list and she's gonna go and get all the things that we need.
You need a popsicle stick.
This is the list of supplies with prices and what we paid. We're getting water for the Miss Ma'ams. It's been raining so much, the water is dirty. We are heading to the property to go feed the Miss Ma'ams, and we also are going to be planting 3 trees that we bought today. We got tangerine, we got a mispero, and a zapote. And I don't know what those are in English, because I don't even know what they're in Spanish.
Inspiration.
Jose said it's, what is it?
Inspiration and aguacatation.
We didn't get no aguacate.
Yes, we did.
It was zapote.
Oh, zapotation.
See? Trying to give me the wrong information, but we're gonna transplant those as well. So we'll bring you guys along. We do have to park at the entrance at the beginning of the street because it's still pretty bad and it's been raining a lot. It's not supposed to rain today, but I'm pretty sure everything is super wet right now. So we will bring you guys along. We do have to carry the trees, and Jose's gonna take a thing of water. We only filled one up with water instead of all three that we had empty because we can't carry three in the tree. So we'll bring you guys along. And this dog is the owner of the street because he won't move. These are two of the trees and Jose has the other one. Long walk. Hey, Miss Mams. Hemos de al lado. Para adentro. All right, here's our three trees. This one's got baby tangerines, mandarins, clementines. I don't know which ones they are, but they're one of them. This is the níspero. I don't know. Jose said it's got some kind of yellow fruit. And this is the black zapote. Some kind of black fruit. I didn't bring them a snack today, but they have a lot to eat here, so I don't feel that bad. But there's a lot happening. Whew, it's hot. Look at, they're all waiting for Jose. They were just all out here eating, but now they're waiting for Jose. Let me check for eggs. 1 egg, 2 eggs. This here is very compacted dirt, you guys can see. I'm digging out a hole though, so we can start doing this. Hey, get out of my trees!
El otro.
We got 5 trees planted now. There's one right there, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Allá va. Oh, it's high, high, high. So I'm gonna be making some huevos, I mean not huevos, but chorizo or frijoles for dinner. So this is what we're gonna be eating, and then we're gonna go to sleep. So it's late, and I'm just now making something because I'm hungry and the kids are hungry. Well, friends, thanks for coming along with us today on a day in the life here in Guanajuato, Mexico. We hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. God bless, and see you guys soon, friends. Bye.